Hi viewers, welcome to Pallavi Maths Hub. In this session, I'm going to discuss Model Paper 1, new pattern of your examination. First question, the line representing 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equals to 0 and 4x plus 6y plus 8 is equals to 0. Then the given option, four options, intersecting lines, perpendicular lines, parallel lines, coincidence lines. Now, take the ratios. This is a linear pair of linear equation. A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. The value of A1 is 2 and A2 is 4. The value of B1 is 3, B2 is 6, is equals to C1 is minus 9 and C2 is minus 18. You will get 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. Then lines are coincident lines. Second question, 10th term of an AP 5, 9, 13 dash 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 is dash. You need to find out 10th term. So, what is the formula? 10th term, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is first term, this is a value, d is equals to a2 minus a1, 9 minus 5, then d is equals to 4, and 10th term n is equals to 10. So formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute all the values to the formula. You will get a10 is equals to 41. Next question. Roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 are dash. So what's the formula? X is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So first option is right. Next, fourth question, value of sine 30 degree plus cos 60 degree is dash. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2 plus cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Denominator here is same. Now add the numerator, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 by 2 which is equals to 1. So option D is right. Fifth question, distance between the origin and a point 3, 4 is dash. As we know the formula, distance formula from the origin, d is equals to square root of x square plus y square. Here, the value of x is, this is x value and this one is y value. The value of x is 3 and the value of y is 4. So 3 square plus 4 square, 3 3s are 9 plus 16 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. And observe here also they given minus 5. So plus root value is plus or minus 5. But distance, distance means only positive number. So d is equals to 5. So correct option is plus 5. Next, sixth question. A line passing through 2 points on the circumference of a circle is dash. So this is the circle. For this circle, a line is passing. A line is passing through 2 points on the circumference. Yes, here one point touches on the circumference and second point touches here. 2 points touches on the circumference. Then this line, what we called? Then this line is called as secant. So option B is right. Next, seventh question. Total surface area of the hemisphere is dash. So what is the formula? 3 pi r square. Next, eighth question. If area of the circular base is 154 square centimeter, height is 10 centimeter, and the volume of the cylinder is dash. Here they given circular base. So circular base means it's in the shape of like this. Is it right? So this is the cylinder. So the given circular base area means area of the circle is equals to, what is the formula? Area of the circle is pi r square. So the given pi r square is equals to, how much they given? 154. So this value is 154. 4. And also they given height they given 10 centimeter. So you need to find out volume of the cylinder. This is the question mark. So volume of the cylinder is equals to pi r square h. So pi r square, the value of pi r square is 154 into height is 10. So 154 into 10 is 1540 cubic centimeter, and unit also important. Okay, if they give 1540 square centimeter, in the place of this, if they give square centimeter, then this option is wrong. Okay, so unit also very important. Cubic centimeter means that one is correct. So 1540 cubic centimeter. Next question, ninth question. If a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0, lines are inconsistent, then the ratio, the coefficient is, so lines are inconsistent means we don't have any formula, any solution. Then coefficients are, ratios are a1 by a2 which is equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. 10th question, in an AP, if the fourth term is a common difference is 2 and third term is dash. Here the given fourth term is 9 and the common difference is 2. A4 is equals to 9, okay, and D is equals to 2. You can write A4 as A plus 3D which is equals to 9. Now substitute the values of D here. A plus 3 into 2 is equals to 9. So A is equals to how much you will get? 9 minus 6. Then value of A is equals to 3. Value of A is equals to 3. Then A3 is equals to, you need to find out third term. So A3 is equals to A plus 2D. We know the value of A and G. Substitute here, you will get A3 is equals to 7. So option D is right. Next question. In the quadratic equation as two equal roots, then the discriminant. Two equal root means delta. Delta value will become 0. Is it right? So b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Option C is right. Value of sine square theta plus cos square theta, identities, trigonometric identities, which is equals to 1. Next, the coordinate of a point P of x comma y, which divides the line segment joining the points A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2 is dash. So formulate section formula m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So option A is right. Next, 14th question. Tangents drawn at the ends of the diameters are mutually. Now, this is a circle. For this circle, this is a diameter. For this diameter, you need to construct tangent. Draw tangent for this ends of the diameter. Then these tangents are, yes, mutually parallel. This tangent for first tangent is parallel to second one. So option B is correct. Next, 15th question. Curved surface area of a cone is, what is the formula? Pi r L. Next, 16th question. Corresponding sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 1:4. Area of these triangles are in the ratio. So we know the formula, area of triangle 1 divided by area of triangle 2 is equals to square of the corresponding sides of triangle 1 divided by square of the corresponding sides of triangle 2. Now, sides the given ratio is 1:4. 1 square divided by 4 square, which is equals to 1:16. So option B is right. 17th question. If 4x plus py plus 8 is equals to 0 and 4x plus 4y plus 2 is equals to 0 represent parallel lines. Then value of P is, yes, we know A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. For parallel lines, coefficient are this one. A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. Now, I'm picking this one. So now, substitute the values of A1 by A2. 4 by 4, which is equals to B1 is question mark P divided by, and B2 is 4. So simplify this, you will get the value of P is 4. So option C is right. Next, 18th question. The discriminant of a quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. Yes, we know the formula discriminant. Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Okay. Now, substitute the values of a, b, c. Here, coefficient of x square, which is equals to a, which is equals to 1. And b is equals to coefficient of x, minus 5. And constant c is equals to 3. Substitute all these values to the formula, you will get delta is equals to 13. So option C is right. Next, 19th question, value of sine 28 degree divided by cos 62 degree is dash. So apply complementary angles. Sine 90 degree minus 28, which is cos 62 divided by cos 62 equals to 1. Next question. In triangle ABC, AB perpendicular to BC. Here, the given perpendicular. Perpendicular means definitely this angle becomes 90 degree. Okay. Next, and the given AB is equals to 15 meter. Value of BC is question mark. And they given here 45 degree. Now, opposite. So 90 degree. Opposite side, this is called as hypotenuse, opposite to 90 degree. Then this side is called as hypotenuse. This one is opposite, this one is adjacent. So tan 45 is equals to opposite by adjacent. Tan 45 is equals to opposite is 15 divided by adjacent is BC. Tan 45 value 1 is equals to 15 by BC. You will get BC value is 15 meter. Next question. Midpoint of the line joining the points 1, 2, 6, 2 and 4, 4 is dash. So here, this one is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. x1, y1, this one is x2, y2. So formula, midpoint formula is P of x, y is equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Substitute the values of x1, y1, x2, y2. You will get 5, 3. So option D is correct. Next, 22nd question. If mean and median are 3 and 4 respectively, then the mode is, yes, we know the relationship between mean, median and mode. So mode is equals to 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. Substitute the values. Median is 4 and mean is 3. You will get mode is 6. Next, in the right angle triangle, the square of dash is equals to sum of the square of the other two sides. Is obviously hypotenuse. In the right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse side is equals to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Next, 24th question. Formula to find curved surface area of the cylinder is. So formula is 2 pi RH. Next, 4 pens and 5 pencils together cost is 25 rupees. Represent this in the terms of linear equation in 2 variables. Here 4 pens, I don't know the cost of 1 pen. So consider cost of 1 pen is equals to x. Okay. Your 4 pen means 4 into x. Cost of 1 pen is x. Then cost for 4 pen is equals to 4 into x. Similarly, 5 pencils. So consider cost of one pencil is equals to y rupees. Then for 5 pencil, it will become 5 into y is equals to how much? 25 rupees. So 4x plus 5y is equals to 25. Next question. Roots of x square minus 25 is equals to 0 are dash. You need to find out the roots. And your highest degree is 2. So you have two roots. Obviously, we have two roots. So x square minus 25 is equals to 0. So you can write this one as x square minus 5 square is equals to 0. So a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. X plus 5 into x minus 5, which is equals to 0. Yes, you will get x is equals to minus 5 and x is equals to plus 5. So option D is right. The value of sine 90 degree plus tan 45 degree. Sine 90 degree is 1 and tan 45 is 1. 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. Next, 28th question. If secant theta is equals to 1 by root 5, then cos theta is, yes, cos theta is equals to reciprocal of secant theta. So you will get root 5. So option D is right. 24th question. The distance of the coordinate 3, 4 from the y-axis is dash. Yes. So this is graph. So now mark the points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So mark the point 3, 4. So 3, 4 here is there. Okay. So this is point 3, 4. What is the question? Distance. Distance from the x-axis. So from the x-axis, this is the x-axis and this one is y-axis. So from here to here, what is the distance between here to here? Distance is 4 units. So option B is correct. Next, 30th question. Median of the score 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25 is dash. So median is equals to, so here 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. So middlemost number. Here observe here. So how many digits are there here? 6 digits, 6 numbers, 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now consider middle two numbers 19 and 21. So 19 plus 21 divided by 2. 19 plus 21 is 40 divided by 2. You will get 20. So what is the answer? 20 is the answer. Option B is right. Next question. 31st. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This one is BPT. Next, if the volume of a cylinder is 300 cubic centimeter, then volume of the cone of same base and height is dash. So the given volume of the cylinder is equals to 300. So pi r square is equals to 300. You need to find out the volume of the cone having same base and same height. So volume of the cylinder pi r square is h is equals to 300. In the place of pi r square h, substitute 300, you will get 100. So what is the answer? 100 cubic centimeter. Next question. If an is equals to 3n minus 2, then value of a4 is dash. In the place of n, substitute 4. 3 into 4 minus 2. 3 4s are 12 minus 2 is 10. Next, which one of the following are similar figure? Rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, circle. So here you will get some confusion because what is the meaning of similar figure? Same shape and corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Consider rectangle. This is first rectangle and this one is next rectangle. Okay, second rectangle. Here, this is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This one is 4 centimeter. This one is 4 centimeter. Here, this one is 6. This one is 6. And this one is 10. This one is 10. Now, AB, this one is ABCD. This one is PQRS. Now take the ratios. Take the ratios. AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR, which is equals to DC by SR is equals to AD by PS. Now obviously that the two corresponding sides are not equal. Then rectangle is not a similar figure. Same way check for rhombus, check for trapezium, but circle, observe here, for circle, okay, one circle of radius 5 centimeter, another circle, I will take consider this one is radius is 10 centimeter. Yes, circle having same shape and check for ratios. So only one length is there. Okay, obviously corresponding radius are it's in the same ratio. So circles are similar figure. Next, maximum number of tangents that can be drawn to a circle from the external point is dash. This is circle and this one is a point, external point. Now draw the tangent for this. Draw the tangent. How many tangents you can draw? How many tangents you can draw? Yes, you can draw 2 tangents. So option C is right. Next question. In a right angle triangle ABC, if angle B is equals to 90 degree, AB is equals to 5 centimeter, BC is equals to 12 centimeter, then length of AC is dash. So apply Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Substitute the values. You will get AC is equals to 13 centimeter. Next. Angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point lying waved is above the horizontal level is dash. So above the horizontal level means angle of elevation. Mean 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, is dash. You need to find out mean. So what is the formula? Sigma fx divided by sigma f. Some of the numbers is 45 divided by how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 45 by 6, which is equals to 7.5. Next. 39th question. We plot lower limit on the x-axis and the corresponding cumulative frequency on the y-axis. Then the graph is more than ogive. Next. If a sphere is melted and recast into the shape of the cylinder, the thing which remains same is dash. For example, okay, you bought a family pack ice cream. It's in the shape of the rectangle. Okay. When you are serving to the family members by using scoop, it will become what? It's in the shape of the hemisphere. Is it right? So this is a family pack ice cream. So when you serve to the family members by using scoop, you will get rectangle shape. Hemisphere shape. So you serve for 20 persons. Okay. So, but volume, this is 1 liter. So it is divided into so many parts. But when you combine again 20 scoops, again the volume is 1 liter itself. Is it right? So volume does not change. But length, radius, areas, everything will be changed. But volume won't change. So option D is correct. So I hope all of you understood this session. In upcoming section, I will upload more videos related to your exam. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.